It is grid down cooking time. Southwest Prepper with the Southwest Prepper group. Check it out. We got the fold up sterno stove out, and we got the Trianga, I think that's how you pronounce it, alcohol stove. Both really good items to have on hand, people. Very inexpensive. I believe you could find both of these items on either Walmart or online, definitely Amazon or even eBay. Very good to have in your bug out bag, in your vehicles, emergency kits, campers, RVs, you name it. So if the grid goes down for whatever reason, you have a way to cook. And these alcohol stoves are super handy. All you need is some denatured alcohol, and with this particular model, this Trianga, I believe it was about $15, and it gives you about 20 to 25 minute cook time. So that's pretty damn good. I mean, you can definitely cook up some soup or heat up some coffee, whatever, in a pinch. And I wanted to show you guys this Menudo. Everybody's like, what the hell is he doing? Menudo? Yeah, I know, it's the Southwest, but the expiration date on this, 2024. That's pretty crazy. So you might want to look outside your comfort zone and try some options that have a decent food shelf life, because everything's getting really expensive right now. So some of the normal foods you might eat might be costing a heck of a lot. And this can actually was only like $2 and some cents here at Walmart. And believe it or not, the kids actually like Menudo. They like the hominy out of it. And folks, if you're hungry, SHTF scenario, guaranteed you're going to eat the ass end of a cow with a spoon. So just look outside, the box, and start checking what else is out there. But it came out pretty good. It was actually pretty good. I added some oregano seasonings to it, and we scarfed it down. So folks, just to show you some options out there. It's not about fear. We hope for the best and we prepare for the worst. Folks, I got your back. Okay, I'm not one of those prepper channels that wants to scare the crap out of you. No, I will show you the information and try to give you an answer. So, look into these stoves. Very handy. Very handy, folks. Southwest Prepper, the Southwest Prepper Group, standing by.